that, bro.
Let's do it. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna keep working on the Miata, and I think today is the day that we get this thing started. Now it's not gonna be 100%, but hey, it's a step forward in the right direction. Stay tuned. All right, guys, back to work on the Miata here. We finally got the manifold installed with the hardware that we wanted to use. So ARP bolts, they look a lot better. And so what we're working on right now is the downpipe. We got all the oil feed connected on the oil drain, but we need to figure out this downpipe. And right now I have it all mocked up, tacked in place, and I got the V-band down there. So this all is looking pretty good to go. So I'm gonna have to like pull it back out and give it a full weld. But before that, I'm gonna get to work on that on the wastegate, find a location for it. All right, we got the tile wastegate mucked up here, and it actually worked out pretty simple. You can see the dump right there. I have it tacked in place right now. Let me show you from below. Okay, you can see right there the dump coming, and it's just going to dump straight on the ground. And that's a look at the dump pipe right there with a V-band. That's where we're gonna continue it. Yeah, everything is it's got good clearance. Not hitting the manifold, not hitting the block anywhere. So you can see it's right with the frame of the car right there. It's perfect height. So pull all this back out and start doing some welding. All right, guys, I'm getting ready to weld this downpipe here. I got this side covered with aluminum foil, and I got the back with the back perch going. It's been filling up for a few seconds now, so I think I'm ready to go. So I'm just gonna do little sections at a time and take it from there. Alright, guys, we're getting the head cleaned up here. We're going to do the final installation on the valve cover. We just gotta get that gasket maker there, get it off nice and clean. Same thing back here, so we can put a fresh gasket maker there and slap the valve cover on. All right, guys, what we're gonna do today is install this PCV plate. So you can see it's designed by me here, and as you can see in the back, it's baffled, so we're not gonna have any problem with excess oil seeping out. And it's AN10, which is what you want for an oil catch can. You want a big hose coming out of it. So we're gonna install this right now and show you what it looks like. Alright guys, we got the plate loosely installed for now because we're gonna run the hose. We got that there, and this is where we're gonna have the oil catch can with the 10 AN line there. So we're gonna run this hose now, trim it to length, and finalize the installation there.
Alright guys, we got some progress done. Obviously we got the oil catch can put in. We still need a return line manifold is in. We got the throttle body as well, wrapping up little things like this and a couple of sensors that we're gonna go ahead and put through. Should be able to wrap this up. We also got a Mishimoto windshield wiper tank coming in. That should get wrapped up. Alright. New Mishimoto windshield wiper tank has been installed. We probably could have made our own, but just due to the fact that this one just sits flush here, it makes no sense.
Alright guys, the time is here. We're gonna try to turn this car on. We're just doing some last minute prep here, and we're gonna fire her up. Alright bro. Let's do it. Alright guys, so she's alive. She turns on loud as hell. We're having a problem though. It doesn't want to stay idle because we're missing the bar map adapter. There is the harness adapter that goes from the 3.5 to what this car likes to see, and we don't have that. We're waiting on that. So we're not even on the base map. We're on the factory map right now, which with this huge intake, it doesn't like it either. So it doesn't have a map cal. It doesn't have the bar map sensor correctly. So everything is out of whack. I'm surprised it even turned on, but it did. And it sounds freaking amazing. So we're gonna end the video here. On the next video, we're gonna go ahead and give it a dry. Hopefully dyno, right? Dyno this thing, see what kind of numbers we can get out of it. And go from there.